guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are at Great Wolf Lodge in Manteca, California, near San Francisco. Let's go see the fun things to do here. Right, we are checked in. Here we are. First entering in, right to our right, we have the bathroom. Okay, this is a standard Great Wolf Lodge bathroom. We've got our shower, bath. The sink is on the outside, and then a wolf paw bar of soap. Continuing on, we have the wolf den right here, Wiley's den. My kids' favorite part of the room. We have the bunk beds, and it is their own little section in here with a wall from the rest of the room, which is fun. We have Great Wolf theming in here. It also has the cute little window right there. Some of the other Great Wolf Lodge wolf dens have more to them. Some of them have like TVs or cute little animal statues. These ones are a little more simplified. All right, right outside the wolf den, we have more storage, a big counter space, which is really nice. We have a mini fridge. Oh, and there is definitely food in here from someone who stayed here previously. Here we have more storage and then some extra blankets. Here's the main bed. We have a couch right here. This doesn't pull out, so it is just a couch, sort of dining space, because right here we have table, 2 chairs, TV right here with a bench, and let's see what our view is. The courtyard. I think the water park is on the other side. So there you guys go. There is a tour of the room. Here is a look at the lobby when you first enter. Right now it is during the Christmas season, so you are going to see all the fun Christmas decorations that are up, including this giant Great Wolf Christmas tree when you first walk in. Oh look, there's little wolf stuffed animals all over it. That is so cute. It looks like we're gonna have some visits with Santa on the other side of this Christmas tree. It really is just so fun and festive. I feel like when we first walked in, we were all just like, wow, Christmassy! Here's the giant fireplace. We've got some Christmas going on over here as well. Here is the check-in desk. There's also a giant gift shop, one of the biggest. This is Buckhorn Emporium. You can find so many things in here. We've got clothes, we've got swimming essentials, lots of birthday items because there's a lot of people celebrating birthdays here. We have a lot of wolf ears. Oh my goodness. So many. There's water ones, there's birthday ones, there's mermaid ones. How fun. All right, coming out of the gift shop, headed back to the lobby. I'm just gonna kind of show you guys a little walk to the water park. There's a stage on this side. They do different shows. They have a dance party at night. Right now it's decorated for Christmas, so I'm sure those are Christmas and holiday themed. We have a restaurant right here called Barnwood. I think what I love about this specific Great Wolf Lodge is the theming up to the water park is so great. Here we have Dunkin' Donuts. That's what we had for breakfast. We have our ice cream shop, our candy company. Here we have the Great Wolf Lodge Build-A-Bear. This is one of the biggest ones of all the Great Wolf Lodges that we visited. Oh, so cute. They have some Christmas stuff going right now. What's fun about Build-A-Bear here is that they have specific Great Wolf Lodge things. They have the wands. I think this is so cute, that little tube. So adorable. giant Build-A-Bear, so cute. So because we have MagicQuest going, you're gonna see a lot of wand games happening. This dragon lights up, which is kind of fun. Okay, here's a look into the arcade. Here is the MagicQuest store, where you can grab your wands, your wand toppers. You can sign up to play a whole game, do a whole fun MagicQuest. Lots of fun accessories. This game does cost money. So here are some of the prices if you're looking at that. So lots of activities to do even outside of the water park. We have a pizza place right here, Hungry as the Wolf. And right in front of the water park is this ropes course. There's a lot of different food options leading up to here. This whole area is for quick service dining. This ropes course is giant and loud because there's just a lot happening. And underneath the ropes course, you have mini golf going. You can see the arcade over there. What's fun about Great Wolf Lodge, once again, is that everything is themed to be like a forest or have forest animals. The mini golf has like this sleeping bear in a tent. It's really cute. We have another little shop right in front of the water park. And then right here we have Wiley's Water Park. Okay, we've got some furry friends here.
Okay, so Kenzie, for her souvenir, she wanted to do the ropes course. It's $15 each, and you go all the way around, then up the stairs and all the way around. Oh, we're excited. You're doing great, Kens. How is it, Kenzie? It's fun.
Let me try this one more time. Let me try this one more time. Ready and
much. We'll see you guys on another video very soon. Bye, guys.